Dr. M. Thumbedurai.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. On behalf of my party leader, Thiru Edappadi Palaniswamy, I raise to participate in the discussion on the passing of the Manipur budget and appropriation bill, sir.
इसके लिए आपको इतना वो करने की जरूरत नहीं थी.
While supporting the, sir, even though we are opposing the President rule 356, the Manipur, but at the same time, we are supporting the passage of the bill in, sir. Just now, sir, before in the debate, sir, just Chairman, sir, Vice Chairman, sir, our honorable members, deemed members raised, they could not get the revenue share for the Tamil Nadu. I want to know, is it a fact that the news has come, ED has raided many liquor factories in Tamil Nadu and 1,000 crores lost. The misses have happened. Then is it a fact whether government knows that, what are the actions they are going to take? Because when they are demanding more money, when the revenue is taken away by the ruling party, they are misusing the Tamil Nadu government, the Stalin government is misusing that. Is it why they are blaming us, others? And also, sir, many. No, I am telling, sir, this is the fact. 1,000 crores that ED has gone. Is it a fact that, let the minister say, how this kind of corruption took place in Tamil Nadu? The corruption is the prevalent, so much prevalent in Tamil Nadu. That is the people are against that government. That is, and also, sir, many welfare programs.
एक मिनट कृपया देखिए, एक मिनट. मणिपुर के साथ साथ एप्रोप्रिएशन बिल हैं, उन पर भी चर्चा हो रही है, इसलिए माननीय सदस्य बोल सकते हैं.
Sir, this appropriation bill regarding the finance. This is financing because they raised, because they said, the honorable member said they are comparing UP and Bihar. When they are going comparing UP, Tamil Nadu is better than UP, Bihar. What about Maharashtra?
Please,
why I am telling?
Please,
because
sit down, please.
This is my right to speak here. They cannot compare the undeveloped state and telling that Tamil Nadu is that could not get. Tamil Nadu must be they have to compare like Maharashtra. Whether Maharashtra industry developed or Tamil Nadu developed during the deeming period. During
व्यवस्था का प्रश्न on a point of order. Please sit down. बोलिए.
Point of order.
बोलिए. कौन सा रूल है? रूल कौन सा?
Sir.
No point of order, please.
Sir.
Continue.
Sir, the point of order is,
Mr. Dr. Ambedkar, continue.
Sir, the point of order is, sir, how
Point
can
of
he be
order
allowed?
पर माननीय Wilson साहब,
Yes,
please listen me.
yes.
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर पर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर नहीं आता. आपके माननीय सदस्य ने व्यवस्था का प्रश्न उठाया है, उनको बोलने दीजिए. आप बैठ जाएं. Please sit down. Please. Please speak.
About the state government, he is not talking.
Under which rule?
Is 268 under rule 2.
No rule ka. Meeting may continue.
258.
Tamil Nadu, this is the only quotation. The news has come. Enforcement Director clearly said 1,000 crores. Even the concerned minister of that state said they may say 40,000 crores also it may be, sir. They're telling.
Sir, कृपया एक बार बैठे. Please sit down. Please. माननीय सदस्यगण, अभी वक्ताओं की सूची काफी है और आज का कार्य भी करना है, इसलिए सदन की सहमति हो तो समय को बढ़ा दिया जाए. आज की कार्य सूची के समाप्त होने तक सदन का समय बढ़ाया जाता है.
सर,
आज की सूची जो वक्ताओं की है तब तक की चलेगी और मंत्री जी कल जवाब देंगे. आप तब तक के लिए सदन की सहमति से समय बढ़ाया गया. आप बोलिए.
Sir, I want to reiterate here because I am concerned about the development of Tamil Nadu. We want sufficient fund. For that only I am speaking. That the share as the come has to come. When that kind of corruption is taking place in Tamil Nadu in the kind of sales and everything, the revenue on GST may not come for the central government. Then how can they get? That is what I am going to tell. There were other things there regarding, say, with the, and also that comparing, Tamil Nadu is one of the developed states. I am not denying that. This is not because of one person. This is our leader, President MGR, and Edappadi Palaniswamy now, previously, and our Madam Jayalalitha. These are the tall leaders. They brought so many schemes, welfare schemes. For all welfare schemes brought by the ADMK government, the DMK government closed. That is the present position. Then what kind of welfare program they are going to implement? What are the development? Sir, and also,
रिकॉर्ड नहीं होगा.
Sir, I want to tell, sir, please.
आप बोलिए.
See, I'm telling, sir, regarding the nowadays, we are want to bring various countries for investment here. Since when the state government is not promoting their own industries there, they are going to bring outside. But what is the outside? What is the purpose? You develop there. For example, I'm telling, sir, regarding education policy, they are giving CBSE school more. Why they are giving more CBSE school? They are giving no objection. Why they are telling? And they are having matriculation schools. They can develop that. Why I'm telling, sir? I'm telling. See that why, sir? I am telling. Go on criticizing one government for hiding their mistakes. I won't appreciate that. But you have to see that in Tamil Nadu, discrimination is coming because Chidambaram was also chief minister. Sir, Chidambaram, former finance minister, our colleague, was so many years finance minister. How much money has given Tamil Nadu? Why Tamil Nadu is not developed? Because he also discriminated their alliance with the Congress. Let them say whether Chidambaram allotted more money for the development of Tamil Nadu. So many years they ruled, but they have not done. That is why they are going telling means because of the Congress and their alliance with them. Why I'm telling Manipur means most 356 brought and dissolved most of. I'm coming Manipur. Most of the government dissolved by the elected government by the Congress. Even DMK government was dissolved. Our government also dissolved by the Congress government. But they are having an alliance with them. This is the pity of they are speaking Manipur.
Please,
Manipur, we have to develop that. So I am supporting that, giving the fund. At the same time, because they raise concern about the Tamil Nadu issue, that I'm telling, because of the corruption is taking a lot of place in Tamil Nadu. The central government, especially liquor policy, the minister is also that he has to.
Please sit down. Please, Sri Harish Biren.